To add a new employee to SalaryPay, simply navigate to the Manage Companies page. Then, select the company where you want to add a new employee. You should be able to see that the default company has been updated. Next, click on the Add New Employee tab to start entering the employee details. The Basic Details section will now be displayed for you to fill out. Start by entering the job title, also known as the designation. The pay frequency is automatically set to monthly, with the default ending date on the 31st. Select the legal name format based on your preference. If you selected last name first name or first name last name, enter the names in the chosen order. Then, use the calendar picker to select the employee's date of birth. This is crucial as it determines the CPF rate, so ensure it's entered accurately. Finally, use the calendar picker to enter the employee's date of appointment. This is essential as the salary calculation will begin from this date. Next, choose the probation month for the employee. You have 4 options: 0, 3, 6, or 12 months. Note that the last date of probation will automatically update based on the probation month you selected. Select the legal status from the drop-down list based on the employee's classification. If citizen is selected, enter the NRIC. If permanent resident, enter the NRIC, select nationality, and set the start date of permanent status. If employment pass, select the nationality and enter the FIN. If work permit, fill in the same fields as employment pass. If you selected S-Pass and the employee is Malaysian, please enter their Malaysian IC number. If other professional, trainee, or student, enter the passport number and select nationality. Before we proceed, please note that the Skills Development Levy is not a payment or deduction from the employee. It is fully paid by the company. Next, choose the employee's gender, either male or female. Then, select the employee's religion, either Buddhist, Christian, Hindu, Muslim, or other. Then select the employee's race from the options: Chinese, Indian, Malay, Eurasian, or others. Religion and race are important in determining the self-help group the employee will contribute to. Religion is a system of beliefs, practices, and values that often involves a faith in a higher power or divine being. It typically includes worship, moral guidance, rituals, and a sense of community among its followers. Different religions have unique teachings, sacred texts, traditions, and places of worship. In Singapore, while race primarily determines self-help group contributions, religion plays a role in some community organizations, such as Mendaki, which supports the Malay Muslim community. Moving forward, tick the box if SDL and CPF exemption apply. As we can see from the image, SDL does not apply to domestic servants, chauffeurs, gardeners, and local employees working outside Singapore. Whereas CPF does not apply to students meeting exemption criteria, foreigners, part-time domestic employees, employees of certain international organizations, and Singaporean seamen under specific agreements. Next, fill in the employee's email and handphone number. After that, choose the salary payment method. You have 3 options: cash, giro, or check. If you select giro, you will need to fill in the bank name, account number, and branch code. At the end of the basic details section, enter the employee's address. For a local residential address, provide the block number, street name, level number, unit number, and postal code. For a foreign address, enter address line 1 to 3, postal code, and country code. For a local CO address, follow the same format as a local residential address. If the employee does not have an address, select Not Available. Once you've filled all the required fields, just click the Save button. At the top right corner, you'll see a notification confirming that the employee has been added successfully. After adding a new employee to SalaryPay, you will be directed to the Edit Regular Hours page. To edit regular hours, start by looking at the Hourly Paid box. If the employee is paid hourly, tick the box. If not, leave it blank as it is by default. Next, fill in hours per day, which refers to the number of working hours per day. By default, the system sets it to 8.8 hours per day. In Singapore, if an employee works 5 days per week, the standard weekly working hours are 44 hours. You can make adjustments based on whether the employee works more or lesser than 5 days a week. You may refer to the following table for reference. For a 5-day work week, employees work 8.8 hours per day, Monday to Friday, with weekends off. A 5-1-2-day schedule means 8 hours daily, Monday to Friday plus a half day on Saturday. A 6-day work week requires 7.3 hours per day, Monday to Saturday, with Sunday as a rest day. Lastly, a 7-day schedule involves 6.29 hours per day, covering every day of the week. Next, select the employee's schedule, either fixed or casual temporary. If you choose casual temporary, there is no regular working days to fill. However, if you choose fixed, the regular working days section will appear instead. Tick the days the employee works and specify whether it's a normal day or a partial day. If it's a partial day, enter the number of hours the employee will work on that day. Each selected working day will automatically update the full days per work field below. If needed, you can click Override to manually adjust the number of working days per week. Once you're done, simply click the Save button. A pop-up notification will appear in the top right corner, indicating that the regular hours have been successfully updated. And that's how you can add a new employee and edit regular hours in SalaryPay, bringing us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.